Hello and welcome to this video on Yahoo Finance Quotes. Yahoo Finance is a great resource for investors and traders looking for up-to-date financial information. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Yahoo Finance Quotes to get the most out of this valuable tool. To get started, navigate to the Yahoo Finance website and click on the Quotes tab at the top of the page. This will take you to the Quotes page, where you can search for specific stocks, ETFs, or other financial instruments. Once you've entered your search term, you'll see a list of results. Click on the instrument you're interested in to view its quote page. Person. On the quote page, you'll see a wealth of information about the instrument you've selected. This includes the current price, as well as historical data, news articles, and analyst ratings. One of the most useful features of Yahoo Finance Quotes is the ability to compare different financial instruments side by side. Simply enter the tickers of the instruments you're interested in and click Compare. Finally, Yahoo Finance also offers a wide range of tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions. These include stock screeners, interactive charts, and educational articles. And that's it for this video on Yahoo Finance Quotes. I hope you found this overview helpful. If you have any questions or tips for using Yahoo Finance, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Closing shot. Person smiling and waving at the camera.